Welcome to AV's DigiZone. Today we are introducing AI tool ContentSync Pro.
Okay, real talk. How many hours last week did you spend staring at a blank screen trying to write social media captions? How many times did you Google character limit for Instagram or best hashtags for LinkedIn? What if I told you there's a tool that creates SEO-optimized, platform-perfect content for all your social channels from just one keyword? Here's the brutal truth about social media in 2026. Every platform has different rules, different algorithms, different best practices. You're not just creating content. You're creating 8 different pieces of content for 8 different platforms. And if you're doing it manually, that's 5-6 hours of work every single time. Meet ContentSync Pro, your new AI content assistant that understands every platform's secret sauce. Just enter one keyword, digital marketing, and add product description, what you're actually promoting. This could be a service, product, blog post, anything. Check the platforms you want: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, blog, SEO, and click generate. In 2.3 seconds, you have it. Perfect title. SEO optimized description with timestamps, CTAs, and retention hooks. Every piece is different but optimized for that platform. The YouTube tags, perfect for search. The TikTok hashtags designed for FYP. The blog meta description, Google SERP ready. This isn't just content generation, it's platform intelligence. Let me show you why this is magic. Look at this YouTube description. See this? Natural keyword placement, no stuffing. LSI keywords automatically included. Retention hooks built in. Timestamps for better watch time. And platform-specific CTAs. This would take me 45 minutes to research and write manually. Shows character counter. 175 characters, perfect length for YouTube SEO. This tool knows what works. But wait, there's more. Check these features. One-click copy for any platform. No more copy-paste formatting nightmares. Whether you're a solopreneur, a marketing team of 20, or an agency with 100 clients, this scales with you. No user limits, no content caps, just pure productivity. That's not just saving time, that's saving money, that's creating better content, that's winning the social media game. Ready to stop struggling and start dominating? I've put a special link in the description where you can access ContentSync Pro right now. No complicated setup, no monthly fees, just instant content generation. Think about what you could do with 5 extra hours every week. Think about the engagement you're missing right now. Think about the clients you could impress with perfectly optimized content. The future of social media content is here, and it takes 15 seconds. Click the link, try it free, and never stare at a blank screen again. The first 100 people to use ContentSync Pro get special bonus. Link in description.